Hey guys, before I get into our final unit, I'd like to thank you. I've been watching the poetry projects, or at least a few of them so far, and they've really turned out well. So thank you for that. It's always my favorite unit to look at projects and things like that. I always really enjoy them. So thank you very much for dealing with technology problems and group member problems and all of those other things that may come up over the course of that unit. Thank you very, very much. I've thoroughly enjoyed them so far. As for our final unit, it is going to be a research paper. All right. We're going to be looking at current events. Now, you're really free to research any current event that you would like. It's entirely up to you. It needs to be a debated topic. It needs to have two sides. There needs to be a pro side, there needs to be a con side. All right. Um, Now, if you don't know any really, or if you're having trouble thinking of some, don't worry. I've attached a list of like 20 or 30 possible um, research topics that you can look at. All right. But this is what we're going to be spending our final month or so on is this research paper. Okay. So as always, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask. Stay safe. It looks like we might be near the tail end of this. It's kind of hard to tell, but either way, if you have any questions, guys, please don't be afraid to reach out. Have a good one, guys.